Alright, so this section and the following few sections are going to be all about advanced Python programming. By now, you should have had a very basic introduction to Python. You must have understood, hey, this is how Python works, this is how we do GUI programming, this is how we do some other basics. But by now, you should have a very good understanding of the core fundamentals of Python. I mean, if I ask you to give me a list of Fibonacci numbers, you're going to be able to do that. If I tell you, hey, I want you to move this red ball 5 feet up and 5 feet to the right, you can do that, okay? So by now, you're actually a pretty skilled Python programmer. But trust me, there's a lot more to Python that meets the eye. And this is where we go on to the concept of modules, okay? So this is actually, just listen to me. We're not going to do anything. I just want to talk about what's happening. So modules. We talked about the OS module. We've talked about the random module. But what's different between the modules? What's different about the modules that we're gonna be talking about today and the ones that we've used is that the modules we're gonna be talking about today have to be downloaded. Okay, so these modules are external. They're not inbuilt in Python. And by downloading these external modules, we'll be able to do a lot more with Python. All right. So that's pretty much it for this lecture. I just wanted to tell you guys, hey, this is what's going to happen in the following few sections. And let's get started. So in the next lecture, we're going to be talking about pip. See you then.